Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter
واو.
Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter
واو.
Wa is equivalent to the English letter W, as in was, or wow. Now try to write it with me. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with
واو.
First, here's the fatha. The pronunciation now will be
و.
Next, this is a kasra. The pronunciation now will be
وي.
And finally, there's a Damma, it, now pronounced as
و.
Listen again.
و. وي. و.
Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When
واو.
is written with fatha mark, the pronunciation now will be
و.
Try to write it with fatha mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
وثيقة.
Means document.
و. ث. ي. ق. ه. وثيقة.
Now let's join these letters together.
و.
Fee.
ي. ق. ه. وثيقة.
When
واو.
is written with kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
وي.
Try to write it with kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
وشاح.
Means scarf.
وي. ش. ش. ح. وشاح.
Now let's join these letters together.
وي. ش. ش. ح. وشاح.
When
واو.
is written with Damma mark, the pronunciation now will be
و.
Try to write it with Damma mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
وجوه.
Means faces.
و
جو
و هي وجوه.
Now let's join these letters together.
و
جو
و هي وجوه.
Now let's look at the letter
واو
in all different possible positions. As you can see, the beginning form is the same as the isolated form, and the medial form is the same as the end form. Handwriting time. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like,
وهم
means illusion.
و هي مي و مي وهم.
Now let's join these letters together.
و هي مي و مي وهم.
And next,
وجبة
means meal.
و جي ب هي وجبة.
Now let's join these letters together.
و جي ب هي وجبة.
Here's how to write the middle form. Like,
خوف
means a fear.
خ و في خوف.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ و في خوف.
And next,
موت
means death.
ما و تي موت.
Now let's join these letters together.
ما و تي موت.
And next.
وقود
Means fuel.
و قود و دي وقود.
Now let's join these letters together.
و قود قو و دي وقود.
When those exception letters come before the letter wow, it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
أول
means first.
أ و ل أول.
Now let's join these letters together.
أ و ل أول.
And next.
ورود
Means flowers.
و ر و دي ورود.
Now let's join these letters together.
و ر و دي ورود.
Here is how to write the in form. Like.
هو
Means he.
هو و هو.
Now let's join these letters together.
هو و هو.
And next.
سطو
Means burglary.
س طي و
سطو.
Now let's join these letters together.
س طي و
سطو
When those exception letters come before the letter,
واو
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
عدو
means enemy.
ع د و عدو.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع د و عدو.
And next,
فرو
means fur.
ف ر و
فرو
Now let's join these letters together.
ف ر و
فرو
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.